If you have potatoes, sausage, cheese, and egg, and little ingredients at home, come on, let's make this simple dinner pot that everyone is going to love. I assure you, you are not going to resist this because it's gonna be a wow. Let's dive into the video. Here I've already peeled the potatoes, washed it, and I'm just going to be using my manual utensils to bring it down. I'm going to shred this. And people, on this note, you're welcome back to Mom Essy Recipes, where we cook everything and make it look very easy. So this is just the process. Watch every bit of this. Remember, I'll be leaving the list of ingredients in the description box. At your convenience, go through it. And I tell you, this is an irresistible dinner. It can be your lunch, it can even be your breakfast, but we made it for dinner, so enjoy every bit of this. From jollof rice to pepper soup, so divine. You taste the culture. The shredding time is over, so I'll be adding in the dried ingredients. I started with the white pepper. I also added in salt. I added in black pepper. I added in thyme. I added in my dried garlic. I also added in my chicken spice. Remember, don't go crazy about the dried ingredients. Use what you have at home and it will give you a perfect result. I didn't add the Maggi into this. That's the seasoning cube, no. But I added in the chicken spice, and people, everything came out well. So do with what you have at home. Just do with it and you get good and sweet results out of it all. List of ingredients will be in description box. Remember to check it out. So at this point, I'm adding in the quark cream, and people, that was the cream I added just to bring it together before I broke in 4 eggs and so on. So just enjoy this video, and I assure you, you have no regrets watching this. Keep watching, people. And stay, don't miss a beat. Mom Essy's kitchen is the place for it. After adding in what you need, please remember to wash your hands thoroughly, because I love to use my hands to marinate things a lot. So make sure you clean your hands thoroughly. If you can't do that, please use your spatula to get it done. So here I'm just adding in ham, and I also chopped in the sausages. So this is just what it is, and people, everything came out so delicious. Magic like stars above, spice and flavor dancing, feel the vibe so right, enduring dishes shining every day and night. Join the fun, it's a family affair. Mom Essy's kitchen, we cooking like we care. Mom Essy's kitchen, come gather around, where flavors explode and joy can be found. Local delight served up with a smile. So people, after chopping in the hot dogs, I thought it's smart to add in vegetable oil, and this will enhance the fluffiness of this recipe. I also added in all-purpose flour, and that is because I wanted to have that pizza-like texture that you are going to enjoy. And people, at the end of the day, it looks like pizza, yeah, but it wasn't pizza. It is our potato recipe. Yes, so you know, people, at the end of the day, this tends to be fluffy, it tends to be cheesy, it tends to be creamy. That is the goal. So make sure you clean up your surroundings when making recipes, because sometimes it looks messy and we have to take care of it while making the video. So this is the whole combination of all the combinations. I also added in milk, and that is because I wanted to loosen up the thickness of this recipe. I needed a consistency, and that is what I'm just showing to you. Look at how that is going, and this is what it is, people. This is the goal. So at this point, make sure you have greased your baking pan. And also at this point, I thought it's smart to add in my pepper because I needed it to be a bit spicy. Remember, I'm leaving all list of ingredients in the description box, so don't be scared. You're not missing anything here. So here we are turning everything into the baking pan, and it was at this point we'll also be adding in the cheese. Okay, so enjoy every part of this video.
Welcome to the kitchen, where we cook with love. Mom Essy cooking up magic like stars above. Spice and flavor dancing, feel the vibe so right. Enduring dishes shining every day and night. Join the fun, it's a family affair. Mom Essy's kitchen, we cooking like we care. Mom Essy's kitchen, come gather.
Cheese added, everything on it, and now I baked for 20 minutes, and this is what I have. I put it back into the oven, and at the end of the day we baked for another 25 minutes, and people, it all came out as expected. I'm just showing you this, and this is the end result. This is our potato pizza. Can you call it that? I don't know. But this was worth it. It was so delicious. It was so easy to prepare. You know, these baking things, you just put it there and then it bakes while you're doing other things at the same time. So people, I hope you enjoyed every part of this video, and of course I know someone is going to be making this over the weekend. Of course, remember, you can pack this as your lunch, and it's also easy to eat on the go. Do you understand? Of course you do. So this is how I use my pizza cutter, and I cut into cubes, and people, serving this was awesome. And I put this into my plate and I enjoyed it. It was a wonderful dinner. Now, have you liked this video? Have you? If you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, and also remember to leave a resounding comment, and also remember to share to your friends and families. And also, in case you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free of charge, even as this recipe is calling you. Go and hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. People, check out this recipe. Is it not calling her to come to the table? Of course, I am here eating and you are here enjoying watching. Okay people, so this is what it is, and on this note I want to say thanks for watching my other videos, and thanks to my new subscribers, and I want to say stay here, stick here, we cook and eat here and do every other things together. Thanks everyone for watching up to this time, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye.